Hello, everybody. I'm sorry, but I can't be with you today. I'm at the district office for a training class. I'm sorry about the disruption in your classes over the past week or so. Last week, I had a family emergency, as you know. But this week, it's just one day. I have to do a training class at the district office. We have the last of our training classes for the year. So you'll have a substitute teacher today. I don't think you're going to need laptop computers for anything you're doing today. So you've got four tasks I'm asking you to complete today. The first is a standard warm-up. That should be 10 to 15 minutes, a standard amount of time that you typically spend on your warm-ups. The second is the quiz that you recently took. I'm returning that quiz to you. I graded it and I placed it in the grade book. I've also got green answer keys that are being passed out with the quiz, which will provide you the answers. And the scoring scale, I need to mention to you something about the scoring scale. It was scored on a 4-3-2-1 scale. However, in the grade book, I don't have a 4-3-2-1 scale. It's just basically a slight incompatibility between my scoring system and the scoring system used by Mr. Duca and Mr. Weber in their class. So the paper was printed with the 4-3-2-1 scale, but in the grade book it's actually a 3-2-3-2-1-0 scale. So if you see at the top of your paper 4-4-4, which indicates the highest score, it's really going to be input in the grade book as 3-3-3. And there's similar adjustments. Basically 1 point goes off, but the 1 point off doesn't mean you're scored lower. It just means that I've adjusted the grading scale from their scale to my scale. So if you see, let's say 2-2-2, it actually stays 2-2-2. Let's say you've got a 3-2-2. That is 2-2-2. Let's say you've got a 3-2-1. That would be 2-2-1. The two stayed the same and the ones stayed the same. But the fours went down to 3, and any threes went down to 2 in order to adjust the scale. You can do a retake on any of the four times that the retakes are done. You can see right by the front door. You can take a look at the time when the retakes need to be completed. Okay, so that was task number 2. The third task is there's a couple of strips of rational expressions paper. They look a little something like this. The substitute will be giving you these two strips of paper. Each of them are separate rational expression problems I'm going to ask you to complete. And they're individual, so they're based on your name only. And so when you complete them, turn them back into your substitute teacher, and then I will give you feedback on your individual problem. And the very last thing is the first page of the 3-page fraction fundamentals worksheet. I'm asking you just to finish the front and the back of that first page only. Keep all 3 pages together. They're all stapled right now. Keep all 3 together, but just do that first page. And once again, sorry I couldn't meet with you today, but you're in good hands with your substitute teacher. And if you have any questions, I'll see you on Friday, on campus on Friday. Right? We don't have class together on Friday. I'll see you somewhere on campus on Friday. Have a good one. Bye.